If you're watching this right now, this is confirmation that you are about to experience a massive breakthrough. You might be feeling frustrated, you might feel stuck, you might not be impressed with the results or the lack of results by this point in the year. I want you to know that this is where everything starts to change for you because this friction, this tension, this resistance that you feel is your next test. And once you complete this and you become victorious, which I know you will be on the other side. You will be through the tunnel. You will be experiencing nothing but blessings. You will receive everything that you have been waiting for, and it's just on the other side of this layer of friction that is just getting in the way. Right now, it's getting in the way, but I want you to know it's thinner than you think. You're almost there. You've been digging this tunnel for so long, and it would be so heartbreaking if you were to stop now. You have been going for so long, so hard, because you knew that it was inevitable, that you were onto something, and the belief in yourself is paying off. Your trust in God and the universe is paying off at this time because this is all part of the test. You know that even though you want to quit, that you're almost there. It is right there and you can feel it. You've been feeling it for months. And this is confirmation that you could feel that in your perception via your senses, your nervous system, because it's that close. Everything is connected, everything blends together, and life is like a hologram. So when you feel things in your body and you are starting to sense this impending energy, that's because the future is imminent and there are big shifts happening that your body is able to pick up on it now. So no, you're not crazy. This video is to let you know that that sensation you feel is real and it's confirmation of what's to come. It's a matter of holding that and the belief that it is going to happen and it's going to unfold in real time. So I want you to know that don't let the resistance get in your way, that whatever you pursue wants you just as bad. So it's waiting for you on the other side. You just can't be held back by temptation or old comforts or laziness or a lack of confidence or comparison, even. This is telling you to lock in right now and to go head first and charge forth and leap into the unknown and take a bet on yourself and take a chance for a change and just go after your dreams. You know you're ready. You know you're ready for a change and you're done settling for less. So I want you to claim this message in the comments. Put I am ready right now in the comments and let me know what you are going after. What are the ideas and visions that you have? What do you want for your life? I want to hear it. And if you have a testimony, please share it with the people in the comments because they need to hear from you. You are a leader and an inspiration for others, and it helps spread this channel and gets this message out to other people who need to hear it. Otherwise, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'm otherwise sending you so much love, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.